gonna do a little bit of slack key for you guys. And a little slack key 101. Slack key was brought to Hawaii Island, a place called Waimea, the island that I'm from. By the vaqueros, or the Spanish cowboys, when the Paniolos or the Hawaiian cowboys needed help with their cattle. We have the biggest cattle ranch in the nation there in Waimea. And so we needed some help, and then also our friends came over, the Spanish cowboys, and brought with them the guitar. And the rest, they say, is history. Hawaiians just came up with a type of tuning that you could play that sound of Hawaii. This particular tuning that I'm in right now is called Taro Patch tuning. It's the first tuning that the Hawaiians came up with. Very basic, but it can do a lot. Particular song is called, it's the original slack key off of my new CD, Ekahi. This one is called Saddle Road Slack Key. And I was recording I live in Kona, so I was recording my new CD in Hilo. So for those who know that area or know how long it takes to get over to the other side, it's about 100 miles or so. It takes about 2 hours. But with the new Saddle Road, you knock off maybe about a half an hour, 45 minutes. But if you take a jet, and you get there maybe 10 minutes. So this particular tune, I wrote in studio because I was so happy with the new Saddle Road. Something called Saddle Road Slack Key. Something original for you guys. Something called the Saddle Road Slack Key.